I went on a losing streak so bad, I stopped trusting my own decisions. And that's the part nobody talks about. Not the money, the doubt. Every trade felt the same. Enter. Looks right, then wrong. Again, and again, and again. And after a while, it messes with your head. You stop following your plan. You hesitate on good setups and take the bad ones just to feel something. I genuinely thought, maybe I just wasn't built for this. But then I did one thing that changed everything. I stopped trying to win and started studying every loss like it owed me money. And that's when I realized losing streaks aren't random. They repeat. There are patterns hidden inside every losing streak. It wasn't bad luck. It was the same mistake, wearing different disguises, too early, too aggressive, too emotional. Once I saw it, I couldn't unsee it. Losing didn't mean I was bad. It meant I was repeating something I didn't notice. Loss rewires your reactions. At first, every loss hits you hard. But after enough of them, something shifts. You stop reacting and start observing. And this is where most people quit, right before the breakthrough. Because the pain doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're getting close. Losing doesn't ask for permission. It just exposes you. All the excuses disappear. All the overconfidence disappears. And what's left is the truth. You're either going to face it or you're going to keep losing. Here's what nobody tells you. Winners don't avoid losing streaks. They just shorten them. Lose, study, adjust, repeat. Faster than everyone else. So if you're losing right now, good. That means you're in the part most people run from. Don't try to escape it. Break it down. Write every loss. Find the pattern. Fix that. Because the streak doesn't end when you win. It's get back to work.